Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Manitoba at 6:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Sunday, July 29, 2012. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for rural municipality of Dufferin, including Carman, Rose Isle, and Homewood. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for the city of Winnipeg, rural municipality of Richat, including St. Adolphe and Santa Gat, rural municipality of Taché, including Lorette, St. Genevieve, and Landmark, rural municipality of De Salaberry, including St. Pierre